Did you know that besides your basic presser foot for sewing straight stitch lines, that there are a number of other presser foots that do a lot of other functions? What is a presser foot? The presser foot is the attachment used with sewing machines. It holds the fabric down under the needle as it is sewn. There are two types to how they are fitted on the sewing machine. You have the snap-on presser foot, or you have the screw-on presser foot. Presser foots add a lot of functionalities to your sewing machine. They add a lot of ease to your sewing, and they save you a lot of time. Do check with your sewing machine manual before you purchase any presser foots to make sure it's the right type for your machine. Some presser foots are not meant to be used for some sewing machines, and they will not work. Here are a few presser foots and their functions that you probably have or will want to get. The straight stitch presser foot. This one's used for sewing the straight stitch with the center needle position. The zigzag presser foot is used as a general all-purpose sewing foot to sew straight stitch lines, as well as decorative stitches. The zipper presser foot. This presser foot is a necessity when sewing zippers. With this foot you can sew very close to the zipper teeth. And it can also be used for sewing piping. The invisible zipper foot is nice to have to sew invisible zippers. The button sewing foot helps you to sew buttons easily. You can see the buttons very well, and the zigzag stitch is adjusted perfectly to sew the buttons down under the foot. Open toe embroidery foot. Useful when applying ribbons, yarns, or trims to fabric surfaces. The applique stitch foot. This clear foot makes seeing what you are sewing easily. This satin stitch foot is the longer version of the applique foot, and it's used for satin stitches, decorative stitches, and letters. The groove along the bottom of the presser foot ensures that the presser foot does not catch on the stitching, ensuring the fabric will be smoothly fed. Those are just a few presser foots. There are many more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and follow for more sewing tips.